Good evening. Thanks for joining us. Cami is off tonight. New data from the CDC today showing a rapid uptick in flu cases across the country, estimating nearly 7.5 million cases nationwide right now. Here at home, that upward trend continues as we head into the new year. In this health alert, Samantha Cavalli bringing us a local perspective on this spike in flu cases.
It's that time of year when family and friends gather to celebrate the holidays, but all that time together, mostly indoors, is creating the perfect conditions for a winter flu surge. At Smith Pharmacy in Little Chute, this winter has been anything but typical.
Probably 1 in 10 people are coming in with for Tamiflu right now. It's going like crazy right now. It's hard to keep in stock.
Pharmacist and owner Nick Smith says the spike has been sudden and stronger than what he's seen in years past. Shelves that were stocked with nearly 50 boxes of flu medication were emptied, all in a single day.
We've seen it sporadically throughout the season, but it really ramped up this week, right after everyone got together for Christmas. That's where we're seeing it just absolutely take off.
New data from Outagamie County Public Health shows about 120 confirmed and probable flu cases so far this season, with health officials saying that number is still climbing. They also stress it's not too late to get a flu shot, recommending vaccination for everyone who can receive it. And even with the emergence of the K subclave, health officials say there is still no evidence to report that it's causing more severe disease, and vaccination remains to be the best defense. More on that coming up tonight at 6. Reporting in the Fox Valley Newsroom, Samantha Cavalli, Action 2 News.